All this time I thought I was a city boy, but I kept coming back to the mountains. The energy here is completely different.
It's down there.
My name's Miles. I'm currently on a solo motorcycle journey from Europe to Asia. And this is my story. What's up, fam? It's Miles here. Just in case this is your first time watching my video, I am currently on a solo motorcycle journey riding from Europe to Asia. My current location, Albania. This is my hostel for last night. And I am getting ready to go. It's pretty cloudy today and it looks like it's about to rain, most likely. But I've already been here for about a week and a half now, and so far the weather has been sunny, and yeah, the weather has been fantastic. So I think it's about a time to get some rain or some storm, because it's early spring. It's supposed to rain in the mountains during the time of the year. So, but I'm about to have some breakfast. Let's see. Bon appetit. I think my chain is at the end of its life because I almost have to tighten it after every ride. I literally just tightened it the day before yesterday, and when I got here last night, the chain was loose as hell, so I had to tighten it again. I think it was just getting too old. I need to get out of here. Well, it looks like it's definitely raining in the mountain. I can see far in the distance, the clouds are pretty thick, covering the mountains. But today I'm hoping to get to this very historical town, Gjirokaster. I don't know, it's south of Albania. But I'm gonna tackle some of the mountain roads first. Finally got on a smaller road. I think this is part of the national park. I've been passing by some small villages. Today is Saturday, so there's a lot of like farmers markets where people bring their fresh produce from their farms to sell like on the side of the streets. But this back road is pretty fun. Gravel road, not too challenging. And I bet this place looks like a painting if it's sunny. Woo! This is like a painting, my goodness. Hold on. This is so beautiful. My God. It's a quiet backcountry road in Albania. I'm riding through one of the national parks. I can't remember the name, but I think there's supposed to be a waterfall up there. I don't know if it's like right next to the road or if it requires some hiking. I'm gonna have to see, but man, look at the surrounding. It's definitely in the spring season. Oh, I had some coffee here and then talk to these locals. Ciao. Okay, I'm gonna go to the waterfall. They told me it doesn't require hiking, I can just drive up there. Whew. And I asked them if it's okay to swim in there. They said it's very cold. I don't really mind freezing water, if you know me. Shee. I just don't want to get in trouble if it's not allowed. You know what I mean? Oh man, what is this? Oh, sheesh. Yeah. It's the right way. Okay. Well, it does take some off-road riding to get here. Ooh, right here. Huh. And that Mercedes-Benz definitely couldn't make it here. Right here? Or can I go further? I'm gonna go. I think I need to park here. Okay. Ooh. I had to park at the entrance. Now I'm walking towards the waterfall. Well, I hope this is the right way. Huh. How am I gonna get up there? Well, this is definitely not the right way. Where is the entrance? There's only one gate. Could it be there? Alright. My God, it took me a while to find this entrance. It's a little trail, very hidden on the side of the road. Now, do I need to climb up? It took me a while to find this place, and definitely some steep climbing. I am here. Woo! Oh. Well, I just looked up the name of this place. Saltire Waterfall. Woo. On the way here, I saw a group of people, hikers, but I think they started hiking at that coffee shop. So I got here before them because I rode my own motorcycle, and I'm glad I have this place all to myself. Bye-bye. All right, let's go back. sun has finally come out, and I just got off the mountain road, found a roadside restaurant, snack, bar. Yeah, about to have some lunch. Whoa. Got some sausages and meatballs. Bon appetit. I have to admit, the Balkans are really exceeding my expectations. When I first got here, I immediately fell in love with this place. The mountains here are just so different, so vibrant. I guess I really came here at the right time, huh? It's spring, and I feel like everything just came back alive after being dormant all winter. Whew. The mountains are green, everything is lush green, flowers everywhere, birds chirping, and I feel like even the water, I could feel the energy of the water. Well, the Balkans are definitely one of my favorites out of all the places that I travel to. Let's see, my top places are Peru, Bolivia, Thailand, yeah, and then the Balkans. Yeah. It's down there.
Yeah, you probably pass it.
Yeah. Oh, where you came from?
Now I came from Herat.
Oh,
it's difficult to remember the name.
yes.
Bremet. Yeah.
Okay.
You have about 15 kilometers, but it's very hard.
Very hard?
No, hard. Just you go first, second.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Got about 20 kilometers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But after is normal off-road, and then asphalt is okay.
Okay. All right. Yeah, you're about to be done with the off-road.
It's the second time that I'm passing through.
Ah, nice.
So I know, but it's you say, my God,
yes.
when it's finished, but
you're just traveling in Albania, or you going somewhere else?
No. Just have 3 days, so I'm
3 days. Yeah. Oh, then go back to Greece.
Yeah. Tomorrow I'm going to stay in Gjirokaster.
Yeah. Okay.
Gjirokaster. No, I'm going to Korça tomorrow.
Okay.
And then I return to Greece.
Yeah. Nice.
Are you going to visit Greece?
No, I'm going to Macedonia. Yeah, I'm going to Gjirokaster and then go up to Ohrid.
Yeah.
Ohrid? Yeah.
And then you go east.
Yes.
To Turkey.
Turkey, yes,
Yeah.
exactly, yes.
Yeah.
I want to go to Central Asia.
Nice. Nice. That will be in summer, I think.
Yeah.
Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah. When I get to Turkey, I'm gonna take a break. 2 weeks break, and then wait till the weather gets warmer.
Yeah, because Turkey it's cold in the central.
Yes, and the east side.
Where are you going to make the break?
Istanbul. Yeah.
I don't know. It's big city for me.
Yeah.
I never stop anymore.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna fly.
I suggest you.
Yeah.
To spend more time in Cappadocia.
Cappadocia.
Yeah.
Macedonia?
No, Cappadocia.
Cappadocia.
It is in the center of Turkey.
Turkey, okay.
More or less close to Ankara. Yeah, no, but it's incredible place.
Yeah.
Because there are mountains or not so big, and the people they dive. No, they build it side underground cities. So it's very, very, very beautiful.
Yeah. Okay.
And very interesting.
Yeah.
So you need 3-4 days to visit everything.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Whoa. Whoa. The wheels my life. Oh. I have finally arrived at my destination. This is Gjirokaster. It's a pretty town, very historical. There's an old castle. I think I see it on the top of the mountain. Bruh, I can't find my hotel. The roads here are so small, so narrow, and everything is on a hill. So I'm not sure if I'm allowed to go on these little roads or. And now I'm at the center plaza, trying to use their free Wi-Fi. They got free Wi-Fi here, so I just called the hostel owner on WhatsApp, and he's about to come pick me up. Hey. Whew. This town is ridiculously beautiful. My God. Now I'm following the hotel owner to go to the hotel. You see, everything is on a hill, and there are a lot of small roads, and some roads are, I don't know, like that. It's not cobblestone, but it's granite. I finally checked in at my hostel. Now I got a major issue. The same thing happened to me again. The strap on my pannier bag ripped. Ugh. That mountain road was too narrow. It's either the wall or the cliff. So I chose the wall. And it just went. I got too close to the wall, and then the pannier bags hit the wall. So the strap ripped. Now I need to find a tailor to stitch that up. This happened to me in Peru too, so this is not the first time. Well, what can you do? Alright, I'm about to go have some dinner first, and then look for a tailor. Okay, thank you so much for watching this episode. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.